I wonder what that is. It isn't my bike. It isn't my knees. What kind of bird is that? Let me get a better view. I've never heard anything like that before. This is the best. Where could it be? Come on, give me there somewhere. Where are you? It's definitely on the water. So let's find something. Strange. This, by the way, people, welcome to N40X. I thought I'd give you a little bit more sound before I started talking, because I'm trying to find out what, obviously this is a bird or something. It can't be a snake. It can't be anything else, it's got to be a bird, and I don't really know what kind of bird does that noise. Maybe somebody else knows about it, I don't know. But I've never heard anything like that before. And they seem to have quietened down since I've been talking. Perhaps I've scared them off. This is behind, over that direction there, Sale West Estate. This is actually owned by United Utilities. And I have to say, actually behind here, is becoming much more flooded. I don't remember seeing so much, especially that direction. I haven't seen as much water. Here we go. Maybe we'll throw an appearance. I'll take that off. I don't know what that was. It's strange. Yeah, this place is flooded out. I can't imagine. I don't know what's going to happen if this rises any further. Yeah, this is take you around there as well. So calm down. Weird. Right, guys, if anyone knows what that kind of bird is, put it down in the descriptions. I'm not after this bird for KFC. Obviously they need birds. There's a, I don't know what that is. Landed on runway L4 or something, L4. Probably on squat 7700, who knows. Most of the time I'm on Mayday. Shit. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. This guy's obviously shut up now, probably watching me thinking, what a dick. He's recording the fence. But you see, he's a bit thick himself, because obviously I can't get over that fence. Or I would do. So I'm gonna go for now. If you know anything about that KFC thing, that bird in it, then let us know, because it's obviously, listen, it's gone over that direction a bit further on, so it's fucked off. So I'm going to leave it now. Take it easy, people, and I'll be back on another one pretty soon. Hopefully with my drone. I could have put my drone up here, couldn't I? Thinking about it, but I didn't fancy getting it pissed on, because it really did rain just before. Fucking come out, you daft fucking cunt! I want to video you. Give it to KFC. They need you. Fucking chicken. Right, I'm gonna go, yeah, in a bit. Take it easy.